Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today in the lab, I'm going to be showing you guys some affordable drugstore nude lipsticks that are perfect for the fall. So if you're into what type of lipsticks you can go out and purchase that are affordable, give this video a thumbs up. I do beauty videos and lifestyle videos here on my channel. So if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It definitely helps your girl out. And if you want to see what my favorite nude lipsticks are, whether it's fall, spring, summer, or even winter, then keep on watching. All right, so the first one I already have on because I was already pre-filming another video, girl. Make sure you, I don't know if I'm gonna have this one up or the other one up first, but either way, make sure your post notification bell is on so you won't miss any uploads. My uploads are on Tuesdays and Thursdays. Whew, I can't even talk today. I upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and that's what it's been consistently so far, and I really appreciate you guys' support and all that jazz. So this video won't be too long. The combination that I have on right now is my favorite NYX Lip Liner. It is in the shade Nude Truffle. And I'm going to be doing a lot of swatching on here, so I'll let you guys see that. But this is the Nude Truffle Lip Liner. I have so many of these in my collection, but I love this lip liner. And then the liquid lipstick that I have on top of it is the Sephora one that's actually number 72. And that looks like this. So I have these two on right now, and I love this combination. It's super easy and simple. The Sephora liquid lipsticks, or liquid lip stains I should say, are super comfortable on the lip. They're not drying. Just a couple of coats if you want to keep building it. It still won't crackle and crumble. So the next one is a recent favorite, and I've actually wore it twice since then, but this is the e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick, and I have it in the shade Coffee, and it looks like this. I did do a recent video on my channel doing a full face of e.l.f., and that is where I realized that I didn't even know e.l.f. had, you know, colors like this, but this is a bit deeper. But the wand just is so flexible. It pulls out a lot of product, as you can see. Let me just put this on. So as you can see, this is like the perfect brown, and this is so affordable. I think this was like $6 or $8. Don't quote me on that. But the wand actually it actually looks like the next two lippies I'm going to be talking about. So I'm going to swatch this one on the hand, and I'm not going to let it dry too much on my lips because, girl, my lips are going to be raw. But that third one is the e.l.f. liquid lipstick in the shade Coffee, and I think this is the perfect brown. Like, look at how it's drying down. It's just perfect for fall. So yes, that is the e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick. So this next one is actually like a orange shade that I always wear throughout the fall. Like, I love this shade. I actually love this brand's liquid lipsticks. This is the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade 75 Fighter, and it looks like this. I have a video where I swatched this and the shade that you see right here with the white top, and it is amazing. But it has the same wand as that e.l.f. one, but the consistency is definitely different. It's a little bit thicker. It has a little sheen to it, so it's definitely conditioning the lips. But this one is an orange shade, and I think this is so gorgeous for fall. Ah, look at this. Period. So this is Fighter. And let me just show you the wand really quick. Now I will say they look the same, but they are totally different. And I'll get into that in just a second. But as you can see, the wands are so similar with the Maybelline and the e.l.f. liquid lipstick. I will say that the Maybelline one is definitely a little easier to glide on the lips, and it has a little bit more like cushion on the wand. So when you're gliding it back and forth on the lip, it's not tugging the lip or anything like that. And like I said, I think these have a little bit more conditioner in it compared to the e.l.f. one, but nevertheless, the e.l.f. one is still good and long lasting on the lip. But these right here, these Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink liquid lipsticks have been bomb since they came out with these. And I know now people are trying them because they're saying that they're mask proof. But honestly, I haven't been putting on like lipsticks under these masks. I've just been doing gloss because I just didn't feel like having to do all that. But I will say that they do last all day with eating, drinking, any of that. This is going to be still on your lips. So again, this is in the shade 75 Fighter, and that is the Maybelline lipstick. All right, so the next two are Maybelline lipsticks, and this one right here was a bit different. I just never talked about it on my channel. I like the way it goes on the lips, and I actually wear this one sometimes. But this is the Super Stay 24 color lipstick by Maybelline, and it has two sides. So one side is supposed to be like a transfer proof conditioner to put on top of the lips, and I never even used that side. I've only used this side in a few videos but never talk about it because that wasn't what I was talking about. But this is in the shade 320 Caramel Crush. Smells really good. I use it like all the time, and this one is super liquid. It's more runny than the matte ones, but it's like your lips but better. Like, look at this, it just blends right into my lips, so sometimes you can't even tell, but I'm about to show you how I'm gonna take it up a notch. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with the Morphe pencil in the shade Vibes. I talk about this all the time, and this is what I typically would line my lips with this lipstick. What's so crazy about this particular one is that once it's dry, girl, it's pretty much dry. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of sheen conditioner to it because my lips are sticking together. But if you wanted to add a little sheen to it, you still will have the liquid lipstick type of look, just a long wearing lipstick. So again, this is the Maybelline Super Stay 24 color lipstick in the shade Caramel Crush. And this is what it looks like swatch. I'm forgetting to swatch it for y'all. It's a really pretty like light pink, that shade right here. So that is this 24-hour one. The next one is my favorite of them all. This is the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Lipstick in the shade Chai Genius number 255. This is actually one of their newer releases. It's been out for a while, but I just felt like because it's been out for a while, I didn't want to like do one full dedicated video to it. But that is what it looks like swatched. And when I say the Maybelline liquid lipstick smells so good, even that orange one I showed you guys, all of their liquid lipsticks smell so good to me. This one definitely smells like chai, and I love chai. Comment down below if you like chai, tea, coffee, what do you prefer? So I'm gonna line my lips first with the Morphe Lip Liner. That is usually the combination that I do. So I just line it like that, and then I'm just gonna go in with the lipstick. Huh. It's something about this Chai Genius. I'm telling y'all, make sure y'all go get your hands on this. This is the best nude for all skin tones. I'm telling you. So this is Chai Genius. And last but not least is a gloss. So I haven't been like a gloss girl before until this year. It seems like that was something really trendy this year. And I tried out the Maybelline glosses, and they actually took me by surprise. So Maybelline came out with these new lifter glosses. I have a review here on my channel. You can check that out in the cards above. As far as affordable glosses, I typically would have went for a MAC lip gloss, but as we all know, those are a little bit sticky sometimes, so I was so shocked by those Maybelline ones. But then I went into Five Below and I'm like, hold on, Wet n Wild is in here. Let me try this lip gloss. This has become my favorite drugstore lip gloss of all time. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit High Shine Lipstick. Now, it says that it's a lipstick, but it goes on so shiny and so much like a gloss. And I'll put this one down here so you guys can see it. But I love the consistency. It is super glossy. You can wear it by itself. It's right here. You can wear it by itself. You can wear it on top of a lipstick. Girl, these Wet n Wild, and I think this is only $5 or even less. Some stores have Wet n Wild stuff for less. I don't know. But I like to pair it with that same lip liner, but let me show you what it looks like by itself. Look at that. It's like the perfect nude, like pinky nude. Now, granted, back in the day, we didn't put no liners on with stuff like this. We just kept it like this. Comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. We wore like lip glosses that were just so high in pigment with like light pink or that milky cream color with no lip liner. Oh my gosh, look how times have changed. The wand on here is so soft, so flexible. Oh, it's just amazing. So this is what it looks like by itself. Watch me transform this by putting on the liner. All of these are my favorite affordable liquid lipsticks, lip glosses, or lip shines, whatever they want to call it, and my affordable lip liners that I gravitate toward all the time. So comment down below if you use any of these lip products before. What is your favorite nude, brown, or orange lipstick, liquid lipstick, gloss, or anything of that nature, or lip product? Let me know down below so I can try that out as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did creating it for you. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.